Welcome to Northwood, home of the Knights. We are extremely excited to welcome your child to our wonderful worldly school environment. Registrations are beginning soon to get your child ready for their educational journey. And this journey will start at Northwood, where we take great pride in ensuring your child develops the skills and knowledge to be successful in this rapidly changing world. The journey begins with the relationships that are fostered by our wonderful staff that bring their unique abilities to create a holistic environment where a child learns a variety of skills that fosters resilience. Come meet our staff and then enjoy pictures of the students learning. Welcome again to Northwood, where we bring you on your journey to find your true north.
I choose to make new friends.
I choose an inquiry and play-based program.
I choose to make Northwood my home school. I choose music. I choose to be kind.
I choose to be the best teacher possible.
I choose to be mindful.
I choose to start every day with a smile.
I choose to learn.
I choose to set the foundation for a love of learning.
I choose to contribute.
Hi, I'm Mrs. McMullen, the Vice Principal here at Northwood. We are excited to welcome you to the 2021-2022 school year. Next time, it'll be your little ones walking through our very doors. Here at Northwood, we provide our earliest learners with engaging and enriching learning opportunities. All staff here at Northwood take great pride in nurturing students' thinking and supporting students in their learning. Northwood is a welcoming place to be. Our learning environments are full of creativity, diversity, inclusion, and learning. Students have the opportunity to explore their interests, share their voice, and grow. Come join us.